Okay, question number 33. Right. Which circuit results in output voltage increasing with increasing temperature? Now, what is this element here? This element is nothing but thermistor. What does a thermistor do? Thermistor, so you look at the circuit here in all the 4 cases. There is a thermistor connected in series, a thermistor connected in series, everywhere thermistor connected in series. Thermistor, what does it do? When you increase the temperature, the resistance of the thermistor goes down. When the resistance goes down, automatically the voltage drop across it reduces, right? That's what you see. Okay, now if you look at this here, so when you increase the temperature, what is he asking? Which circuit results in output voltage? If you take the output voltage over here, when voltage decreases over here, as temperature increases, what will happen? V output will decrease over here. So this is not the right answer, right? Because this is V1 and this is V2. V2 will reduce. The total output is V1 plus V2. V2 will reduce, so V output will also reduce. Now let us look at this here. When this reduces, what will happen to this one here? This will be your V1. This will be your V1. This is your V2. Now this is your V here, right? V is equal to V1 plus V2 here, right? V1 plus V2 over here. Now if V2 reduces over here, okay, then what will happen to V1? V1 will increase. For example, let us say if this is given as 10 volt over here, okay, initially before temperature was increased, let us say this was 5 over here, okay, 5 volt was dropping out here, so this was 5 also 5 over here. If this becomes 3, then what will be the voltage across this one? This will become 7 over here. That means I want the output voltage to be taken here, not here. So therefore this is also incorrect, right? Did I say correct? No, this is also incorrect. Then if I take it across here, this is the right one. So answer C is the right one. And here, why is it incorrect over here? Both are resistance. Okay, so therefore, so there is no role of thermistor at all. So this is also incorrect. So C is the right answer.